Hello guys, this is Rohit. Today I want to share my trading experience with you all. Guys, many of us have simple dreams that I have to live free. I want to spend some time with my family whenever I want, and I don't want to do job. Of course, we all hate jobs. So many will compromise and lead their life as it is. To the persons like them, many will suggest stock markets, so we can earn money from just by sitting in home, so that and we can live as we want. I also entered the stock market in the same way. I am here to share my experience with a special team. So I will tell you later why I am calling it a special team. Okay, I have started my trading in August month. I am new to stock market. I used to see many videos in YouTube. Then I started real market trading in same month August. Guys, you just don't believe me. I lost 1.5 lakh, 1.5 lakh in just 1.5 month. It was such a huge loss, because to be honest, I'm from a financially background, financially very back. So it's such a huge amount for me, and that money was borrowed from my friends. So they are friends, so I can give it at any time, so that's not a problem, but still I have to give them, and it's not a small amount. So then I thought I will give some gap to trading and I will focus on learning. So I continued seeing knowledgeable videos in YouTube. Everybody says that this indicator will is accurate, and this somebody says that this indicator will give you 2000 per day. And I also joined in some paid premium groups where they give calls, and they will give call and stop loss, and of course for some time that stop loss will hit and market will bounce back, so we all will get trapped there, and of course we all have that experience. So and all our money is gone. So, but the channel will not show that their stop loss got hit, and but they just show that their target was achieved. Of course their targets are achieved, but they don't have enough accuracy. Okay. And later I joined in another uh, premium group. What they have done is they will just give you a call option. If the market goes, if market doesn't goes in their favorable direction, then they will change the trade without any intimation. So of course I have increased in my loss day by day, and it went around almost 1.5 lakh. um, so they just don't have enough accuracy, and they didn't have enough knowledge, and they don't have clear direction, and mostly they don't have patience towards the stock market. Okay. So in the same process I keep searching for the courses, and I joined in courses also, 2 3 courses, but uh, they just explains the topics, that's it. So that we can get that videos in YouTube also, so they are not no necessary for joining the courses, so that is not so useful. So in the same process, recently I joined this group, trending trading and training. This group is really awesome, guys, really awesome. So what I have done is, first I joined the Telegram group. uh, Starting I just did a paper trading because I have so much of loss, and I'm not ready to lose more money, because I don't have enough money to lose also. So I just have 10,000 capital, just 10,000 left in my trading account, and that one also I borrowed from my friend, another friend. So so it was totally risky, and I have very bad past trading experience. So I just did paper trading. So they just give one call per day, one free call in their public group. And guys, you just don't believe, I did paper trading almost for 2 weeks. I just observed that not a single trade hit the stop loss, not even a single trade. Every trade hits the target, and the stock moves above and above the target, that's all. another thing, but the target will be achieved. That's it. Their accuracy level is very very good, and they have clear direction towards the market, and they have a lot of patience, because patience is the main thing we have to keep in us in stock markets. Otherwise we will lose everything we have. So they have much more patience. Their patience levels are very high, and their accuracy was so good. And so later I started taking their telegram calls, and I traded in real market. So guys, you just don't believe that calls was given by Krishna sir, and I personally thank him very very much, because I just traded with 10,000 rupees, and within a week, just within a week, my 10,000 was, my capital was 20,000. Guys, don't see that I have earned 10,000 in a week. Just think that I got 100% returns. Means I kept 10,000 and I started with 10,000 capital, and I have 20,000 within a week. So I got 100% returns from his calls. So I earned total money from his calls, and paid the same amount to him for the course and for his premium calls, because I need course, and at the same time I need his premium calls also, because I trust him completely, because I experienced his accuracy. He's very accurate, and that course was also very very good, because course was excellent. Guys, the guys are very supportive. Actually, one of our group members called them for asking some doubts, but they have explained him each and every doubt bit by bit until he understands the total concept. That was the support from them, and I believe nobody will get such support from anyone in this way, because I also joined courses before, because they don't show such support, and they don't have enough patience to give reply to each and every student. They, once the classes have ended, was enough. That's it. They don't have enough patience with them. So, and support is very low. But these guys, I have many doubts regarding the stock market, and I have asked each and everything to them, and they are very very supportive. And you can call them personally. Guys, are you listening? You can call them personally for asking any doubt at any time. They will clear your doubt. Until you get cleared, they will keep explaining you things clearly, bit by bit. They are really amazing, guys. So I just they will explain the topic in a way that even a child can trade very simply. Even a child can trade in stock market. They are very very supportive. So many of mentors will teach, and they won't give proper response, but these guys are, I still can't understand where they can have such patience levels. I asked them, and they told me to do meditation so that we can get some patience. Okay. And guys, I seriously want to thank you, Krishna sir, because with the 10,000 capital, I think I didn't have enough confidence, but Krishna sir, thank you. Because of your premium calls, I was able to take that course, and I have learned much more. And your team support was very very good, and thank you very much, sir. Guys, I just I just want to say one thing. You won't find such supportive and knowledgeable persons anywhere in the market. You won't find the concept also. Actually, the concept they said about in the stock market, you won't find that concept anywhere in the stock market or anywhere in YouTube. Nowhere. Okay. I don't say that blindly pay the fees and take the course. Just join their free channel, free telegram channel, anything. Okay. Just observe the channels for some time, then you will get to know what is their accuracy and what is their knowledge and what are their analysis and how do they analysis. So guys, just trust me, if you join their channel, telegram channel, free channel, and where Krishna sir mostly gives the calls, you can pay the total fees from that calls only. You don't need to take amount from your own pockets also. Okay, so just if you want to earn money, many things are there, but if you want to learn and if you want to get some freedom in your life, so if you want to settle in stock market, you need to join this channel, guys, because they are really very very supportive and they give support all the times. Okay, so just want to say one thing. Thank you guys, thank you, training. You guys are very supportive, and because of you today I'm going to trade and I'm able to trade on my own, and I have little bit now I have some confidence in me. So thank you guys, thank you very very much. And to the every person who wants to earn money, so and who wants to learn the stock market, so I suggest this, I suggest you guys, this is the best platform you will ever get, and you will never find such teams anywhere in the YouTube or any courses. Thank you guys, thank you very much for making me so confident, and now I'm able to trade myself with a confidence. So of course, thank you very much.